Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today, you guys, we are going to be decorating and cleaning my primary bedroom for fall. So fall is my absolutely favorite season of all. I just love everything about the season of fall. Not only does it brings change, but it also brings cooler weather, comfort food, cozy vibes, and just hanging out with the family and friends. So I absolutely love all the things about fall. So I wanted to get a jump start on my decorating this season, so that not only does I have my house already prepared so I can relax and enjoy, but also so that I can bring you guys tons of fall inspiration to watch and motivate you to get your house ready for the fall season. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. I share all things home decor. So if you are interested in home decor, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family. And to all of our beautiful subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping by and watching another video. So we're in my primary bedroom. I really wanted to start with this space first. Not only did I wanted to come in here and add some cozy touches to this room, but I also wanted to change out my linen and just give it a nice, good, deep cleaning before I start my fall's decorating for this season. So I wanted to get in here and deep clean my bedroom. So I'm using this Method multi-purpose spray. I usually kind of use the same multi-purpose spray on my furniture and on my surfaces, just to give everything a good cleaning. This is in the lavender scent. Absolutely smells amazing. So I usually just kind of go over with a microfiber cloth and just kind of give everything a good wipe down and a good cleaning. I love to change out my linen. Usually I change out my linen once a week and just wash them. So this time I want to add in some really cozy comforters and fall colors to this space. So this year for my fall decorating, I really went with a moody kind of luxe vibe for my living room and dining room area, but for my bedroom here, I really wanted to add in more of those rust and cognac colors to this space. So you will see when you see the other videos that I'm decorating with different colors, like a lot of those burgundies and mauves and touches of green and stuff. That's what I kind of went with the main living space. But in this area, I really wanted to add in a lot of that pops of rust and some greenery, just to make this space feel nice and cozy for the fall season. So this year I went with try to utilize a lot of things that I already had for decorating for fall. I really kind of went through all of my bins and everything and pulled out all the things that I can use for this year to decorate with, and try not to spend so much money on unnecessary things, because I have tons of pumpkins and greenery and all that stuff, even floral stems. So I only had to purchase a few things to decorate my space for fall this year. So I'm super excited about that. So most of the things that you will see me decorating with this year are kind of things I already had for years, and just kind of gave them a new vibe or a new twist. So yeah, but I'll share with you all in the upcoming video some of my good dupes that I found this year for the fall season, and also some of my luxury items that I found on the budget as well for this fall season. So yeah, so make sure you keep that in mind. So I'm gonna give this mirror a good wipe. Now I love using the Sprayway glass cleaner on my mirrored pieces because it just gives them a streak-free shine. So I absolutely love using that. So that's what you'll see me utilizing on my mirror, and then also on this little acrylic table. People always ask me where I get this mirror from. This mirror, I did purchase it from Wayfair years ago, maybe about 6 or 7 years ago. It's been a while, so I don't even know if it's still available. But yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful mirror. That's why I still keep it here. But yeah, you can find it there on Wayfair. My nightstands are from Ashley Furniture. I did want to share with you all a new handbag that was sent out to me by Teddy Blake. So with the fall season coming upon us, I wanted to change out my handbag. So they were nice enough to gift me a new handbag and also the matching wallet. So I have been a fan of Teddy Blake's handbags for years. I have partnered with them before in the past, and I absolutely love their handbags. Not only is it made with premium and Italian leather, but the bags are super gorgeous and made with high quality materials, and then they are just have beautiful craftsmanship. I absolutely love this bag. This is their Ava bag, the 11-inch, and I absolutely love how cute and dainty this bag is. I'm not a really big fan of really big purchases. I like something that's small and compact that I can just kind of grab and go. So I love the luxury handle that it has on it and the hardware, and then it even have these beautiful gold feet at the bottom. It's just a really stunning, beautiful handbag. And then it's small enough that I can put all of my essentials in here, and then it's big enough for all of my extras as well. It does come with a strap if you want to add the strap to it. But so absolutely love this bag. This is the Ava bag, 11-inch in the color beige. Super gorgeous, just a stunning bag made of really good materials. And if you are looking for luxury handbags on a budget, this is definitely a bag that you definitely have to try out. I have had their bags for years, and I love that the quality always remains the same. So they also sent me out the wallet in the same style. This is in the beige as well. This is super gorgeous because it matches the handbag, and then also has tons of space in here for all of my cards and all of my additional things that I might need to store in here. I always love using a really large wallet because I always tend to have a lot of stuff to put in the wallet. The smaller wallets always seem to be too small for my needs. So I love a wallet that has tons of space, tons of room to put all of my necessities in it. So yes, I absolutely love this bag. So thank you to Teddy Blake for sending me out this handbag. I'll have all of the information linked in the description box below. So now we're going to go ahead and make the bed. So this is my Brook Linen sheet set, and this is their linen bedding. Absolutely love it. It's super soft and comfortable. I love using their linen. I had it for so many years that it gets better with each wash. So I did decide to condense some of the artwork that I had in the space. I think I had too many pieces going on, so I decided to remove the artwork that was behind my nightstands and just leave a clean blank slate. And then the artwork that I have above my head of the headboard, I did have that on the other side of the room. That you guys did tell me that the artwork wasn't level when it was on the other wall, and you was correct, it wasn't level. I was gonna go back in and finish it after that video aired, but I just didn't have time to go back in and fix it. But I decided to add it over here above the headboard because I think it just looks better over here. I think I had too many pieces going on over here in the headboard section, so I decided to take those other pieces down. Thought they were just competing against each other a little bit too much for my liking. So I absolutely love how everything has turned out, and I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. So I absolutely love it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish making the bed, and then we're gonna add in some fall touches to this space. So to bring in a pop of color, I'm going to add in this gorgeous quilt set that I got from Amazon. This is definitely a Pottery Barn dupe because Pottery Barn has a similar quilt set on their website, but it costs way more than what this one costs. So definitely check out Amazon because they have a lot of similar quilt sets and bedding dupes for a lot of these high-end stores. So this is one of the softest, most comfortable quilt I've had in a long time, and I absolutely love it so much that I actually have it in green. Well, no, this one is in this cognac color, but I also have another one that's in green that I end up purchasing that one from Target. But this one is a lot more softer, and I do have it in a size California King. I think it's sold out in this color, but they do have other colors available on Amazon, so I'll try to link it down in the description box below. But it's just super soft and cozy, and it's just a really good bedding on a budget. So definitely check out Amazon if you're looking for some luxury bedding on the budget. So I absolutely love this color. It's almost like a caramel color, perfect for the fall season. So I'm going to add in this comforter set. I got this one from Home Goods years ago. So I'm going to just add this in because it's kind of thick, but then it's not too thick that is making you too hot, but it's just the right thickness for the kind of cool down period for fall. So I'm going to add this in there, and then I'm going to add in the matching quilt on top. So now I'm going to add in a few accent pillows, and I'm going to bring these ones from my front room. And here, these I bought from CB2. Absolutely love these pillow covers, or these pillows. They're gorgeous. They're actually pillows. So you can get the pillow cover or the pillow itself. So absolutely love the pattern on it, and it matches perfectly with this quilt. So I'm going to add in one rust color pillow and pillow cover. This one came from Etsy actually years ago. Absolutely love how that little pop of rust just adds in all the elements of fall that I need for this space. And then I'm going to add in this kind of throw or light blanket that I got from Boll and Branch, just to add in another layer. So now I'm going to dress my accent chairs. I did get my accent chairs from Wayfair. Absolutely love these. They are small and compact for a small space, and absolutely love them. I'm going to add in some of my favorite pumpkin pillows that I had for years. I got these from Home Goods. Love the beaded detail on the front with the kind of blingy pumpkin, and then it also has a solid side where you can, in the color rust, that you can use if you just want to use the solid side as well. So I'm going to add that. The throw blanket came from Z Gallery. Then I'm going to add in this floral arrangement and matching pumpkin to this little acrylic side table, and then I'm going to add in another throw pillow on this side as well. Always getting comments about my curtains as well. Those curtains came from 2 Pages, and then my acrylic side table came from Homery. So yeah, this is what the room is looking like, you guys. I'm so excited to decorate for fall this season. I'm just ready for a change. I can't wait for you to see the videos that I have coming up of my other spaces. We're going to break the fall videos up until maybe about 4 or 5 videos. So the next video you guys will see will probably be me decorating my formal living room and dining room, and then from there we'll move on to the kitchen and family room. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.